students, welcome back to your maths class, and this is your maths teacher Mrs. Harpreet Kaur Kundi. I am back with your new topic, that is circle, and in last lecture we have done 11.1 exercise. Let's start our next topic without any delay. It is very interesting topic. We will do one project also on this base. It is page number 188. Page number 188, circle. What is a circle? Circle is a simple closed curve whose every point is equidistant from a fixed point in its interior. Let me write definition first. A circle is a simple closed curve whose every point is equidistant from a fixed point in its interior. This is the definition. You need to learn this definition. Let's understand the meaning of this definition. First, a circle is a simple closed curve. We have done the closed figure which are closed from the other side. There is no beginning point and the ending point is same. And curve means it is not in a straight line. It is somewhere like this. Curve is a bend in that. So circle is a simple closed means देखो, this is beginning point and ending point is same, then only the circle will become a closed figure. Is a closed curve. Got it? Whose every point means this, see like this. Suppose I will make like this. By joining these points we can make a circle. Join these points. It will change into a circle. Every point on the circle is like this. These are the points on circle. Got it? Every point on the circle is equidistant. What is the meaning of equidistant? It made up of from two words. Equi means equal, distant means distance. So equal distance. हर पॉइंट सर्कल के ऊपर जो भी है वो इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे है फ्रॉम अ फिक्स्ड पॉइंट इन इट्स इंटीरियर. इंटीरियर मीन्स अंदर. ये है इंटीरियर. दिस इज द इंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द सर्कल. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड दिस इज द एक्सटीरियर. This portion is the exterior of the circle. So from a fixed point, say fixed point is this distance and this distance will be equal. This distance will be equal. So from the fixed point all the distances are equal. Is called a circle. Understand? So this is the meaning of circle and the definition. A circle is a simple closed curve whose every point is equidistant from a fixed point in its interior. So this is a circle, this is the fixed point, and these points on the circle are at equidistant, means equal distance पे. Got it? Okay, let's move further. Okay, next topic is elements of a circle. Means what are the subparts of the circle of a circle. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, make a circle. This is a circle, and this point is known as center. Point O, say name, we will give it as O. We can give it as C also. A, B, C, D. From alphabets, you can give any alphabet as name of this center. Okay, what is the definition for center is the point O where we place the needle like end of a compass is called the center of a circle. Got it? So this is our center. So let's write the names side by side. I will write the names also. Center is O, center O. Next, line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Say line segment joining from center to the any point on the circle. From the center to the boundary of the circle. This is the boundary of the circle. This complete boundary. So line segment from center to the boundary of the center is known as radius. Understand? समझ आ गया? So let's give this name as A. So what we will write it as radius OA. OA is known as radius. So in a circle we can draw a large number of radii of a circle and all radii are of equal length. It is not like that कि हम सिर्फ एक ही radius draw कर सकते हैं. We can draw number of radius and radius more than one are known as radii. Radii, R A D I, radii. So we can draw number of radius and all the radius will be of equal length. Why? क्यों equal होगी इनकी लेंथ? क्योंकि सबको हमने सेंटर से ड्रॉ किया है और सर्कल की बाउंड्री तक. So the distance will remain same. Distance will not change. Okay. So this is your radius. We will write the definitions, yes, of course, in your notebook. When you will start the exercise 11.2, before doing that, we will write the definitions. No need to write all these basics. Only write the definitions. Got it? So I will give you the notes side by side also. We will mark in the book. You will do from the book also. Next, come to the diameter. Next is, okay, if we will draw here this side, this is also a radius. So we can give name, if we will give name here B. So the name of this will be OA, OB. We can write here OA, OB. Understood? From here C, OC. We can add here OC because center point to the boundary of the circle. Understand? Now if we will talk about this line segment AC, A and C, this is a complete full line segment. What is this called? This is called as the diameter. What is this? Diameter. So what is the name of diameter? AC, or you can write CA. CA both can be written. ठीक है? Yes. What is diameter now? You have understood it from the figure that this line is a diameter. But what is the definition of this diameter? A line segment which passes through the center. See, this is the center and this is a line segment. It passes through the center. Center बीच में आ रहा है ना? Passes through the center of the circle and whose end points lie on the circle. इस लाइन सेगमेंट्स के एंड पॉइंट ये दोनों हैं and these two lies on the circle is called a diameter. Any line segment passes through the center of the circle and whose end points lie on the circle is called as diameter. There is one more property of diameter, that diameter divides a circle into two equal parts. Diameter एक circle को equal parts में divide करते हैं. Understood? So these were the elements of circles, main elements. Without these elements you will not be able to understand about the circle and you will not be able to do the exercise. Understand? So these basics should be clear in your mind. Okay, this was the element. These were the elements: center, radius and diameter. For diameter we have done two properties. That one definition is the line segment passing through the center and whose endpoints are on the boundary of the circle. And the second property is diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. And the third property is the diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter जो होती है longest chord होती है circle की.